Special jalmuri recipe zan toi lehemala manaitai.
Stay tuned. Hello guys, welcome to our daily vlog. Today I'm gonna have a tuna sandwich for breakfast. I love tuna sandwiches. Now we're just eating our food. We're just gonna go into the car to go shopping. This is a car journey to the shops. Now we're gonna buy our fresh vegetables. I'm buying Bangladeshi biscuits and murri. Now we're gonna buy sanasur for the jalmuri. This is our shopping. Now I'm gonna go home. Wow, look at all this shopping. Now we're going to make spring rolls.
This is a jalmuri recipe you've all been waiting for.
One cup of sanasur.
One cup of murri.
Three tablespoons of chana. One small Bangladeshi onion.
2 fresh chilies.
Then add coriander and tomatoes.
Half a teaspoon of salt.
1 lemon slice. One teaspoon of shorishal tel. Mix it all together. Pour the food into the plate. Look at these nice burgers. We love burgers. This food is really yummy. Don't forget to subscribe and goodbye.